Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Alright, you guys, these are the bridesmaids bags for wedding day that will be placed in Haley's bridal suite. So these are the bags. These bags were purchased from Amazon, and the only thing that I did was I just personalized them a little bit by adding each girl's name on them. So we have 5 bags already done. So now what we need to do is we need to stuff the bags. And as you can see, they have a lot of space in them. They're pretty big. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and start stuffing. So one of the items that's going in the girls' bags are these light blue comfy cozy slippers. And these slippers were purchased from Shein. They have all colors. They are almost like everything bridesmaids because they have everything from proposal boxes all the way to the day of. So this will be going into the bag. And we're going to place one set in each girl's bag. And beforehand, we got the girls' clothes size, and we also got their shoe size as well too. So everything will be accurate. All right, stay tuned for the next item. So before showing you the final of the next item, I wanted to show you a little bit of how I did add their initials on their PJs that they'll be wearing the day of the wedding. It was very simple. I just used my silhouette cameo machine, and I did the cutting on there and just printed it out. And as you can see, I am ironing the area of the pajamas. I'm actually ironing the whole pajamas because they won't have time to iron them, so I wanted them to be fresh and ready for them once they put them on for their pictures. So yes, I'm going to do each one for each girl. So this is just an idea that you can show your bridesmaids that you truly appreciate them, and to have something special for them. So this is what Haley wanted, so this is what Haley's mom did. Alright, so the second thing that we're going to add to their bags are these pajama sets. It's a two-piece. It's short sleeve with the white trim, and it has the white trim on the pocket, and on each pocket it has the girls' initials. Therefore, they can wear them at any time versus having bridesmaids or maid of honor on it. So we just put their initials on it. And then they have the shorts, and they're in that baby blue color, and these also came from Shein. So they will have these on the morning of the wedding, and of course they'll get photos with the bride. Now we will also be adding these under eye patches, so each girl will receive 2 sets of these eye patches. Y'all know how sometimes when you go to bed late or you don't get any sleep, you have that little puffiness under there, and we want them to be right and tight on wedding day. So yes, we're going to be gifting them these under eye gel I think I said patches, but anyway, y'all know what they are. Y'all see them. They are beautiful in blue. And also too, with those pajama sets, I did steam them before I put them inside the bag, so they won't be so wrinkled, because it probably won't be enough time for them to be able to iron them. So I did try to get as many of the wrinkles out as I possibly could. Well, all right, y'all, let's see what else is going in the bag. All right, you guys, here are the bags all done. These are the bags, and these are their bouquets. So I have them in a separate bag because I didn't want them squished. But yeah, you guys, I think they turned out pretty. I can't wait to set them up in the bridal suite. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I can't wait, you guys. All right, you all, bye. Bye, 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 bye. The blue is beautiful. So another thing we wanted to do to make our guests feel extra special is we wanted to have these welcome bags when they checked in to the hotel. So we have some nice essential goodies in there, and I think the bags turned out really good. Of course, the bags were done by me. I just personalized them a little bit for the guests. And this is what they look like at the hotel once we took them to the hotel. So once they checked in, they received a bag. We thought this was a nice touch. If you are having a wedding or you're having some type of special event and you want to upgrade how you have your guests to sign in, this is one way you can upgrade. You can get a frame. You can get one any size that you want, and you can add the matting board to it, and you could add your picture in the middle here, and you can have your guests to sign as you see here. And also what I did was I added some decorative floral, like a floral swag here with the couple's color. And yeah, look how it turned out. They had so many of their guests to sign this board. Now stay tuned, because I have a second way of your guests can sign in to your event as well. And as you guys know, my daughter just got married. Congratulations to the Coltrane's, and this was one of their ways for their guests to sign in. And we also have another way that the guests were able to sign in too. It's very neat, and it is what is kind of trending right now with weddings in 2026. But yes, I created this. This board came from Hobby Lobby. I actually had the workers in the custom frame department to add the boarding for me, so they would be able to, you know, sign it. And then I just got the picture done at Walgreens, and I just placed it in there, and that's it, and added this floral arrangement and made it look absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, stay tuned to the next one. So the second option we decided to use for the guests to be able to sign in was the audio guest book telephone. So we have this beautiful vintage antique-ish looking telephone that we have here, and all it needs is batteries, and then it comes with the little SIMs card in the bottom to ensure that all of your recording is on that SIMs card, and you also get a USB card with it as well too. Now the other thing you don't want to forget to do is you don't want to forget your signage. So you can create your signage yourself, or you can get your signage made. And basically it says audio guest book here, and then it also gives you the directions. You pick up the phone, you leave a message for whomever it's for, which this was for Haley and Jacob. And then the last thing it says is hang up and your message will be saved. And we personalize it by saying love the Cold Trains. So I thought this was cute, and we also got it done in their colors, which was the sky blue, and we also had it outlined with white and silver as well too, because those were their colors, and I thought this was so stinking cute. Now I got this personalized on Etsy. If you want more information about the sign, just leave me a comment in the comment section. And the telephone, I got it from Amazon. Y'all, it is so stinking cute. So the couple was able to leave their own personal message, and then the guests, once they pick up the phone, they will hear what the couple's message was. And also another thing I decided to do, because some people when they pick up a phone, they don't hold the phone away from their ear, they actually put the phone to their ear. So for sanitation purposes, I purchased a 6-pack of these wipes in this container from Amazon, and all I did was personalize it by saying antibacterial wipe. So you were able to wipe off, and it was ready for the next person. Well, all right, y'all, I hope these tips and these ideas help you. This is what it looked like at the reception. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope these ideas were very helpful to you whenever you decide to plan an event. Bye bye, guys. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home